Hello, I'm Ferdi from Gengoya. I'm a semi-editorial illustrator and I draw contents to introduce Japanese vocabulary. I was assigned to create a culture-related illustration by Adobe using Fresco and its new feature, Motion. I usually start drawing by sketching using the pixel brush tool on pencil setting. The main reason I use Fresco is because Fresco can draw pixel and vector on the same app, which took out the effort of moving between different apps. You see here, I am sketching on pixel and straight to tracing on vector with vector brush tool. This allows me to smoothly create per part of the illustration without having to finish all the sketch first. Then I'll repeat the process until I finish drawing each part. With the parts ready, I compose it and see if any part is lacking and draw some more to fill up the final composition. Now that the illustration is done, I then add frame-by-frame animation for the arrows, eyes, and hands. These parts actually have different frame counts between 3, 6, or 15, basically multiple of 3. What I really like about animating in Fresco is that it is automatically looping, so I don't have to repeat the animation for the part with 3 frames, even though another part has 15 frames. Lastly, I add some handwritten text and animate it by repeating the handwriting process. It adds a fun wiggly animation to your text because handwriting will be slightly different every time you write. Here's the final artwork. This illustration is a part of first 100 kanji project that I'm currently doing, and it shows the kanji that is related to directions. I hope this tutorial is helpful and inspire you to draw too. Please follow us on Instagram or Twitter if you want to check further contents related to Japanese vocabulary.